Derek Mather here. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys this brand new funnel that's come out that we created. My buddy Liam, a fellow marketer, created, and it is awesome. There's three different ways to get your passive income. One is here, and if you click this, this is going to be your Earn Easy Commissions portal. And basically click that. That's one way to earn passive income. Second, once you've set that up and watched the videos, you can start promoting that. Second step here is going to be setting up your free Builderall account. And within step number 2, you have the ability to copy this entire system. So you have the ability to basically take this exact funnel and start promoting it. So it's 100% editable, and then once it gets done loading here, I'll show you that. But then you just go to step number 3, and again, everything is in here. The only thing you have to do is go in here and change your affiliate links. So again, for this particular step, you would go to your editable information, and everything is in here step by step, exactly what you need to do in order for you to have the system work exactly the way it needs to work. Again, on step number 3 is setting up a Udemy account to start driving traffic to this exact funnel. It's that simple, guys. Start earning your passive income now. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. The link is below to this exact funnel. Also, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.